before I begin my speech, I would like to mention here, because this is a very important, what I saw in the social media yesterday about the unhealthy arrangement and accommodation to our beloved athletes is not tolerable at all. This matter should be sorted out, and I want to ensure that MSOA should rectify the circumstances and make sure this should not happen in the future. Friends, when I received my phone call, when somebody from the different walk of life, especially from a stakeholder, they call me up and they send me some photo of what we have seen yesterday in the media, and today also I have already clarified in the newspaper, which I hope from today onward, this kind of thing should not be happening again. I don't mind to say this because we have to work as a team. MSOA also, they have tried their best. But as the state, as the government, we are very much concerned for our athletes. That's why I have to make a statement and I have to clarify in the media also. Because since the beginning, for organizing of this Meghalaya game, we all really giving a free hands of MSOA to hold this Meghalaya game 2022.